The future is arriving not in grand sweeping changes, but in subtle shifts. One such shift is upon us. The age of AI agents emerge. These digital entities promise to reshape our lives much like the smartphone did. But their potential impact is far greater. Imagine a world where tasks are automated, decisions are optimized, and our very thoughts can command the digital realm. This is the promise of AI agents. These are not merely tools. They are collaborators, assistants, and extensions of our will in the digital world. They learn our preferences, anticipate our needs, and act on our behalf. This revolution is driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, particularly in the field of large language models. These models, trained on vast data sets of text and code, are the brains behind AI agents. They empower these agents to understand, interpret, and execute complex instructions. The result? A future where technology fades into the background, seamlessly integrated into our lives. But this future is not without its challenges. As we relinquish control to these digital entities, ethical considerations arise. What are the implications for privacy, security, and even human autonomy? These are questions we must grapple with as we step into this new era. At the heart of every AI agent lies a powerful engine, the large language model. This technology, fueled by vast datasets of text and code, allows agents to understand and interact with human language. It is language that bridges the gap between human intention and digital execution. Imagine describing a task to your agent. Book a flight to London for next week, find a hotel near the conference center, and add it to my calendar. An AI agent powered by a large language model can decipher this request, break it down into individual steps, and interface with various applications to make it happen. This ability to understand and act on natural language instructions is what sets AI agents apart from traditional software. They are not limited to pre-programmed commands or rigid workflows. Instead, they can adapt to our needs, learn from our interactions, and even anticipate our desires. This is just the beginning. As large language models continue to evolve, so too will the capabilities of AI agents. They will become more sophisticated in their understanding of nuance, context, and even emotion. The result will be a world where technology feels less like a tool and more like a partner. We are currently witnessing the first wave of AI agents, primarily interacting through text. These agents, often manifested as advanced chatbots, are already transforming how we interact with technology. They answer questions, summarize documents, generate creative content, and even provide companionship. In the realm of customer service, text-based AI agents are streamlining interactions, resolving queries with speed and efficiency. Businesses are deploying these agents to handle routine tasks, freeing up human representatives to focus on more complex issues. However, these early agents are not without limitations. Their text-based nature can sometimes feel clunky and impersonal. They may struggle with nuanced language or complex requests, requiring human intervention. Despite these limitations, text-based AI agents represent a crucial step in the evolution of this technology. They are laying the foundation for a future where agents become increasingly integrated into our lives. The next phase in AI agent evolution will be marked by the integration of voice technology. This transition will usher in an era of more natural, intuitive interactions between humans and machines. Imagine conversing with your AI agent as you would a friend or colleague, using the power of your voice to issue commands and receive information. Voice-enabled AI agents will have profound implications for accessibility, making technology accessible to a wider range of individuals. Tasks that once required manual input, such as sending emails or setting reminders, will be effortlessly accomplished through voice commands. This shift towards voice-based interaction will be driven by advancements in speech recognition and natural language processing. As these technologies mature, AI agents will become increasingly adept at understanding different accents, dialects, and even emotional cues embedded in human speech. The result will be a world where technology feels less like a separate entity and more like an extension of ourselves, responding seamlessly to our spoken words. Section 5, Phase 3, the Neural Horizon. As we venture further into the future, a more profound transformation awaits, the rise of neural interfaces. These technologies will bridge the gap between human thought and digital action, allowing us to control AI agents with the power of our minds. Imagine a world where you can instantly access information, compose messages, or even control smart home devices with a mere thought. This is the promise of neural interfaces. powered by advancements in neuroscience and brain-computer interface technology. Companies like Neuralink are at the forefront of this revolution, developing implantable devices that can decode neural activity and translate it into digital commands. While still in its early stages, this technology has the potential to revolutionize our relationship with technology. However, the ethical implications of neural interfaces are significant. Questions of privacy, security, and even the definition of human autonomy will need to be carefully considered as we approach this new era of human-machine integration. Section 6, Phase 4, Anticipating Our Needs. The ultimate goal of AI agent development is to create agents that not only respond to our commands, but anticipate our needs before we even articulate them. These predictive agents will leverage vast amounts of data, machine learning algorithms, and an understanding of our individual preferences to proactively assist us in our daily lives. Imagine an AI agent that knows your schedule, your dietary restrictions, and your preferred mode of transportation. This agent could automatically order groceries, book appointments, and even suggest routes that avoid traffic, all without you lifting a finger. In the realm of healthcare, predictive AI agents could monitor our vital signs, detect anomalies, and alert medical professionals to potential health concerns before they escalate. This could lead to earlier diagnoses, more effective treatments, and ultimately, longer, healthier lives. The development of predictive AI agents will require sophisticated algorithms capable of analyzing complex patterns, identifying correlations, and making accurate predictions based on vast datasets. However, the potential benefits of this technology, from increased efficiency to improved healthcare outcomes, make it a compelling area of exploration. Section 7. Reshaping the landscape of work. The rise of AI agents will undoubtedly transform the landscape of work, automating tasks, augmenting human capabilities, and creating entirely new job categories. While some fear widespread job displacement, others see an opportunity for humans to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling endeavors. Routine, repetitive tasks, such as data entry, scheduling appointments, and generating reports, are prime candidates for automation by AI agents. This will free up human workers to focus on tasks that require critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. The demand for AI-related skills, such as AI development, integration, and management, will skyrocket. New job titles, such as AI ethicist, AI trainer, and AI interaction designer, will emerge to address the specific challenges and opportunities presented by this technology. The key to thriving in this new era is adaptability and a commitment to lifelong learning. By embracing new skills, fostering creativity, and focusing on uniquely human strengths, we can navigate the evolving job market and harness the power of AI agents to enhance our work lives. Section 8. Navigating the Ethical Crossroads. The advent of AI agents presents us with a complex set of ethical considerations that we must address thoughtfully and proactively. As we cede more control to these digital entities, it is imperative that we ensure their responsible development and deployment. One pressing concern is data privacy. AI agents rely on vast amounts of data to learn, adapt, and make decisions. Safeguarding this data from unauthorized access, breaches, and misuse is paramount. Robust data protection regulations, privacy-preserving AI algorithms, and a commitment to transparency will be crucial. Another ethical consideration is the potential for bias in AI systems. If AI agents are trained on biased data, they may perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. Ensuring fairness, equity, and inclusivity in AI development and deployment is essential to prevent unintended consequences. The issue of job displacement is also a significant ethical concern. As AI agents automate tasks previously performed by humans, we must find ways to reskill and upskill workers, providing them with the tools and opportunities to thrive in the changing job market. Section 9. Embracing the future together. The age of AI agents is upon us. These digital entities, powered by the remarkable capabilities of large language models, hold the potential to revolutionize our lives in profound ways, from automating mundane tasks to enhancing our cognitive abilities. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is essential that we approach the development and deployment of AI agents with a sense of shared responsibility. By prioritizing ethical considerations, fostering open dialogue, and embracing a spirit of collaboration, we can harness the power of this technology for the betterment of humanity. The future is not predetermined. It is a canvas upon which we together will paint the next chapter of human history. Let us ensure that it is a future where AI agents empower us, enhance our lives, and help us create a more just, equitable, and prosperous world for all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share it with your friends. Let's embrace the future, together. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my entire video. I truly appreciate it. Stay awesome.